Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. What I've got for you today is it's called like a sheet pan chicken with veggies. So what we've got is obviously chicken. I'm just going to cut these into strips. Got some potatoes, red onion, going to start slice that up, and a pepper. Slice that up. A few of these cherry tomatoes, well, probably all the cherry tomatoes. These other ones are going to be for a salad. We've got some coriander, got some cumin, oregano, lemon, olive oil, salt, pepper. So we'll get this cut up for the first part, and while this is sort of like cooking, then we can get on with the like Greek style salad with feta cheese and all that good stuff. So I'll get this lot sorted out and I'll bring you right back. So what I've done, I've already got the chicken already marinated in the fridge, cut into like slices and marinated with garlic, a little bit of olive oil and lemon. So that's been in the fridge for a little while, and so what I'm going to do here is, what we're going to do is get some potatoes left in their skins. Get our nice little orange pepper. That's all right. Onion. And this we're just going to slice again, long ways. And I've got some nice little like cherry tomatoes. Just half these tomatoes, well, quarters. Take out the fleshy bit. These I'm just going to slice. These are really soft actually, that's quite nice. Half a lemon. Well, we've got some ground cumin, some coriander, and some oregano. Bit of pepper. Only a little bit of salt for me. And a little splash of olive oil. Let's get the oven on, about 200, around about 200ish. And all we're going to do get all this loveliness on this tray. I'm going to get these tomatoes. These are going to go in a bowl. Got a little bit of rocket. That's going to go in there. A little bit of courgette. Some spring onions. Get a feta cheese. So now with this, got our lovely bit of lemon, not bit of lemon, bit of lemon juice, olive oil, oregano, gotta love oregano, bit of pepper, only a little bit of salt because that feta cheese is quite salty. And I knew it, I'd forget something. Olives. Nice, these are really nice actually. These are just green olives from Tesco's. And again, mixed up with all that goodness. So, we'll leave that to one side. Put that spoon back away, didn't use it. Just going to get this lovely little tray of goodness in the oven. We'll give that about 15 minutes. Okay, so let's pull these veggies out, which are looking a bit tasty. Get our chicken. Lovely and garlicky anyway. And we're going to pop these back in and keep an eye on it. It smells absolutely gorgeous, by the way. Don't know if I said that, did I? But yeah, it does. Lovely. So, this is really tasty. Well, the veggies a little bit charred. Sheep pan chicken. Chicken is really nice and tasty. Not too overdone, which is really nice. Get a nice Greek style salad, feta cheese and tomatoes, a little bit of rocket salad, olives, oregano, salt, pepper, bit of lemon, olive oil and all that good stuff. So thank you very much for coming along with me, really appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Take it easy and stay safe. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you guys. Ta-da. Bye bye.